It is Saturday, April the 6th, 8:53, and we're at the caravan last night. Storm Kathleen, Luna. Storm Kathleen. Tell me, boys, stay away from the coast, stay away from the coast. Storm Kathleen's on our way. So, watch, don't lose the door, Luna. Watch, don't lose the door. We'll go up this way. If it tries to rain later, supposed to heavy rain last night, wasn't too bad.
Excuse me, you wouldn't mind making us a fry?
I'm about to tell you. If you want some oven chips, I can do oven chips.
It doesn't take black pudding, but I take 2 whites instead.
I can do oven chips, like.
You see when you go around the corner, it's a different day. You find the one down there.
Hey, good luck. Oh, no. A couple of boys want a fry, Luna. A couple of boys want a fry. Last Sunday was Easter Sunday. They said it's way bad around this corner. We'll go around the corner because how long have you met Luna, Pat? I'm not totally stupid when it comes to storms. I like stormy weather and all, like. And my wee hat can be adjusted. That wee clasp there, the brilliant wee clasp there, you can adjust that for stormy weather so it doesn't blow off. I might have to adjust that now, you know, when I get around this corner, going by them boys. But I like to be out in the stormy weather. I like walking on it, but I don't want to die in it, like. So you have to weigh up what way is the wind blowing and how strong is it blowing and what can likely go wrong. If I came down last night, over 40 miles of the gallon coming down. Now there was no wind really pushing me, but there was no wind holding me back. If I had to go home today now, not there, and that one, that head one, oh, about 28 miles of the gallon, like. But the thing about caravan, you just sit and wait. So this storm should be over by the time I'm going home tomorrow. A bit breezy, like, but it won't be so strong. Gusts of 70 miles an hour. One's, hey, this was something I just noticed there. I was on the weather the other day there. The last storm we had a wild lot of trees came down. But apart from that, there was no damage. No damage to tiles or nothing else. But a wild lot of trees came down. And they were saying because of all the heavy rain we've had, and we've had rain and rain and rain, we've had 50% more rain in March. It hasn't been a flash flood, it's just rain every day, like. And the ground is so saturated that even when a 70 mile an hour wind would normally a tree went and fall down, it's just going to fall down because the ground's so soft. So these ones in America and Australia say 70 mile an hour wind, it's only a wee gust. Brings trees down here, so you don't want to be parking underneath a tree. It's done a wee poo now. Get that lifted and out of the way. So I'm expecting more heavy rain later on today. I'll get this poo picked up here now. That wind is so bad. If I go that way now, it could be 5 minutes to a bun. I'm going to backtrack. See that wind blew that bag inside out. Too risky. So where I am down there now, the caravan's semi-sheltered, like. The storm is coming from the east. We're northwest over here, and that's why the wind's coming in from the land towards the sea. But the way I am, yeah, see, I looked at the wee map and all, and I knew the wind wouldn't be pushing me towards. I don't want to get blew into the sea. That harbour full tide, that's pretty deep. So the wind would blow me across the car park if anywhere. But I always think 70 mile an hour wind, you can travel 70 mile an hour on a car as long as you point into it. If the caravan got tossed that much, all I have to do is drive around and point it into the one. Right now it's getting it side on. Point it into the one, you'll be alright. How's that? But say last Sunday was Easter Sunday. I never got away in the caravan at all. Problem I have, I can't get parked. I went to Garton Glen in the car. I couldn't even get the car parked in Garton Glen. Full. It was full. Port Rush full. No point in trying to get a caravan down. And Easter eggs last week with £3. So 7 days later, I'm down now in Buncrana. Came down last night, not a car in that car park. I got my Easter egg at half price, £1.50. So that's my wee Easter weekend now. Like, there's no point in going out with the crowds trying to squeeze in. Like, just skip a week, get your eggs half price. So I brought the Easter egg down, man. I'm going to crack it open today, boys. And you know what? At £1.50, it tastes nicer than the £3 one, knowing you got a half price. I'll enjoy that egg better. I even bought myself some wee cabbage cream eggs. I don't like cabbage cream eggs, but 5 for £1.25. I bought wee box just to remind myself I don't like them much. So what? It's not the bad weekend I thought it was going to be. But everybody says you're mad going out in that, you're mad going out in that. They don't know what they're missing. They don't know what they're missing. The whole idea of going out in the caravan is it's for the weather. It's not just sunny days. People who just want to go out on sunny days they're missing all these nice days here. It's very mild this weekend. It's about 12 degrees, but it's a warm 12 degrees. Like, that one's blowing now, like I won't even get cold hands with. So look at that there. I often think when you go out on a stormy day, it's like watching a movie. If I was walking down here on a sunny day, them bushes wouldn't be moving there. It's more like a still photograph. You come out on a stormy day, it's like an action movie. Everything around you is moving and making noises. I'm not going to tip everything, because there's too many birds in Buncrana. But if something exciting happens, you never know, something exciting might happen. I'll have the camera with me. Look at Luna doing the wee rocks. You see wee Luna's face this morning when I pulled the blinds up and she sees it. Oh, she's all excited. She was doing a wee tummy rubs and everything, so she was this morning. See if she got a couple of wee pups to play with. So why is it she's got playing with other dogs down here? How you doing? Getting a wee bit bluer here now. But it's not cold. A wee bit of the rust coming off that dust through the loom place. It's actually rusted through that tin, you know. Very salt there. No, you eating, are you? No eating. Probably had the wee mice. Well, we walked around here last night. I was drizzling a wee bit, but she never got too wet. When I actually got back to the caravan to dry her, she wasn't as wet as I thought she would have been. We're walking the town about half 11 last night, walking the main street. No puppies to play with today. Beach is empty. They got a new sign down here, Buncrana sign, made of steel. The copy of the same idea as Titanic, you know. So once I get the photograph stand beside it, and I think it's a pretty good idea. Because once we'll all stand to get the photograph taken beside it. I did. Imagine now if the caravan was parked here, just round the corner, boys. Should have a fair blowing about. I may have to tighten those handlebars up. Oh, I'll tighten those up here, boys. Tighten those up. Oh, that's lovely. Come on. Stormy! Oh. Hey, our ball's going to blow away. Oh, the sand hit me in the face, boys. Oh, that's... Get some sand blasted there. That sand's going to blast into the wheel in there. Maybe as well keep her off the beach, but actually it's way down by herself. The ball's going to blow by itself. Look there, the sun coming out now. Hey, brilliant day this, boys. There that girl! Ronnie Tummies! Do you want tummy rubbies? No. Doesn't know what she wants. We're getting hit by sand here, don't I? Ah, look at that. I'm going to line that wee bank in there, you know, let Luna do the running. I might just do that. Because I'm tired walking all the time. I need a rest. I might lie down here, Luna, chuck the ball for you. Oh, look at the sea. Is it my turn? Is it my turn? Luna does not share. Has a wee shelter spot in here, Luna, I'm lying down. Sun's on our back, highlighting the waves. That wee fort at the other side of Loch Swilly showed up well, the tower. Showed up really well in the sunlight. Go on, Luna! Out again! Perfect wee spot here, boys. It's just... The sun's trying to hide behind the clouds. Luna's on the move again. Luna's on the move. You often wonder if they stick seats in place like that there. It's days like this, that's why they do it. He's sitting there, you're out of the wind. Where's my girl gone now? Where's my girl gone? There she is. Where's your ball? I'm not down the sand. Are you ready? Come on, Luna's wee for her. Atta girl! Atta girl, Luna! She's gonna do a wee pair of goggles on her eyes. That wee puppy up there. Wee puppy up there in the grass. So I can play with that one. Says me having to throw the ball here, boy. Aye. Sand's going in the eyes. There's beats. Oh, Luna's doing a pee. The beats is on the move. The beats is on the move. On again! Ah! Look how fast Luna is. Oh, she's slowing down a wee bit, Luna, you know, she's slowing down a bit. Her legs setting in now, she's about 3.5. sun's coming out again, Lena. The sun's coming out. There's people trying to jog today. Right, the fun one must be on today. They got to see the stout sign down there. And people think I'm mad out caravanning during a storm, and there's ones out jogging. Northern Ireland's getting the worst of the storm today, but it's getting it on the east coast, so that's up by County Down direction, Newcastle, all them places. Telling people to stay away from the coast. But when you're away camping, I always prefer to head to the coast on a storm. You do what I do, you get a bit of shelter. But if you go to, I'd say, a town, for example, you always get buildings that are neglected, and tiles and broken painted glass and things will come falling down. You're in a caravan, you don't want nothing falling on your roof. And you come to a coast, because they have gales all year round, it wouldn't matter what storm hits Ireland today, you won't see these properties here losing gutters or tiles. And there's no trees, you stay away from trees. When I'm in my caravan, I don't use stabilizers or nothing. It's very handy for me just hop in the car and move. That's my girl! Wee ball sneaking away, Pet. I'm sneaking away on you. Well, head under the breeze now, Pet. Head under the breeze. See, there's no gust, it's just steady wind. That's my girl! She's looking like a prey there all day by herself there, boys. Had a wee chair now. Are you choking the sand? Hey, drop! 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 Good girl, Luna. That's dead-handed today. They're all fire on today, Luna. Don't think the fire started yet. It's not Easter, you think it would be. Might lose my hat here, might lose the hat, Luna. We'll put it a bit tighter, See, I'll put on my old hat in case I do lose it. See, strip it tight now. It doesn't feel any tighter. Put it on too tight, makes your head sore. Oh, hat's in storm mode now, Luna. It's in storm mode. Let's see what's happening here in the harbour. Alright. You're not allowed to fall into the harbour now, Luna. No falling on. Oh, you dropped me. Oh, a wee crane over there, boys. You can see all the black water coming from the rivers into the sea, and that's how they lose the blue flag. Down here the water's polluted as well. They have a sign up on the beach not to swim in the beach. That's because the stuff come down the river. But the thing about Donegal, these rivers aren't so long. It's just all bog up there. So why they get polluted in such a short run, I don't know. But you see the colour difference here now with the rivers hitting the sea. And then she ends up going onto the beaches. Port Rush Beach was closed last week for a while because of the slurry coming down now the rivers. See how farmers and cows are shite, they split and everything. That's because meat eaters want their meat. But most of the meat of these cows isn't sold now, it's all sold abroad. But we're getting the pollution. Getting a wee paint job there, boys. I'm not going to go out the pier today in case she does fall in. We'll turn around here now, Luna, that's far enough I think. You know what, I'll put her on the lead. No, I'm going to put you on the lead, Pep. We'll stay to the side of the walls at. It's unbelievable how warm that wind is. There's no coldness in it at all. When you get a day with 12 degrees air temperature and a wind blowing, you're still chill. I'm boy the right board hoping it up and call out today. You can see now black water from the river just more or less stopping where the river meets the loch. So it must be the way the wind's blowing and stopping it going out. I ain't folks mad bringing cars out here like. Well, the family died in there a few years back. Wee wains and all. The car slid down that ramp. That's why I put this gate up, and that's why the flowers is there. And still people come out in cars like. They just died in that ramp. The car just slid in, floated out, and they couldn't swim, they couldn't get out. One wee baby was saved. So somebody passed the baby out and somebody grabbed it. The rest of the family died. So, well, they're both keeping the door not there now, won't they, Lana? The one out here. It's not too bad this side here. The waves aren't very big, but see the ones coming from the land, not the sea, and that's why the waves are smaller. You see all the black water going along. Why don't we head back now, Pip? Health and safety and all that minute. Hear the wind going through the fence here, boys. Sound like the movies. Oh, that is sign this, shaking there. It's like you see in America, these hurricanes, isn't it? The one thing you never get, I would say the Republic of Ireland and UK both, the one thing you never get, doesn't matter how bad a storm is, road signs do not blow down. And yet you always see America, these road signs getting blew down. Our road signs are designed to stay up. Road signs and electric pylons, you never get an electric pylon damaged in the storm. Doesn't matter how hard the wind blows, they'll always stand. You never get a lamppost blew down either. There's certain things that just do not blow down no matter what.